haven't had dinner yet. Just got off school. There's a French restaurant I'm sitting at. And then that's the Puerto Vallarta. The ocean is like way over there. And up these stairs, that's where my school is. And then after that, I still have to walk home and finish up my laundry and do homework and pack because I have to check in another Airbnb. Oh, so cute. Lovers. Look at this. Here we are, table for one. Look at this. Look how perfect this cat is. You see this? Oh, thank you.
This is tapenade.
Oh, wow.
It's black olives, capers, onion. Black olives, garlic, olive oil. It's from the south of France.
Thank you. South of France. Bon appetit. So it's served like this because I told this man, give me something that you cannot ever give me from here in this world. Tell the chef he can cook it up however he wants it. I'll eat it. This would be perfect with a glass of white wine. I have school in the morning, so I'm trying to be responsible.
Música, señorita.
That's okay, thank you. Hey, I'm on a budget, okay? Wow.
¿Está lloviendo?
Yes. Beautiful. It happens.
Música romántica.
Let me see how much I fucking have. Play me a song.
One song?
Yes.
Okay.
Huh?
So, let's see.
Like soft?
Tranquilita, romántica.
Oh, romantica. What do you want to play? What do you like?
Oh, okay.
Play me something that you like. Here we go. Make sure it's good.
Bésame mucho, como
como si fuera esta noche la última vez. Bésame, bésame mucho, que tengo miedo tenerte, perderte después. Pero bésame, bésame mucho, como si fuera esta noche la última vez. Bésame, bésame mucho, que tengo miedo tenerte, perderte después. Quiero mirarme en tus ojos, sentirte tan cerca, verte junto a mí. Piensa que tal vez mañana yo voy a estar lejos, muy lejos de ti. Pero bésame, bésame mucho, como si fuera esta noche la última vez. Bésame, bésame mucho, que tengo miedo tenerte, perderte después.
That was so beautiful. Oh my God. I don't know why I always do this, but well, I don't always do this, but this is a bad example of bad time management. I know I have a lot to do. I know I need to get up early, and I just order something that's not even on the menu. Okay, Damian, I say, this is what this plate is known best. No, I don't want to know what is best. I want you to give me that you have never give that to anyone else, and I want it to be the best. Can you deliver that? Up to you. You show me. You show me. Put it on the table. Let me eat it. I'll taste it. So that is that. I'm very excited, but I'm probably gonna go home late. How are you? Look at this. Thank you so much.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I'm gonna fix the food.
This dip that right in there, bitch. It's fucking hot. Patient, Jasmin, patient.
Did you like it?
Mm-hmm. Thank you.
They do the duck confit here actually, and super fresh.
It's so good. This is the berry.
Red
Yes.
fruit, yeah.
Strawberries, raspberry, and blueberries.
And wow.
All red fruits, yeah.
Yes. Thank you so
And
much.
you have some antioxidant too. Yeah.
This is amazing.
Ouais, là c'est pour ça. Vous pouvez prendre un Cigale car ils sont
Okay, it's so good. Okay, I'm gonna go. Stay happy, stay blessed. Eat everything that you can. One day you're gonna fucking die. But make sure you exercise. It's a good balance. Aww. You want some French fries? I can give you a piece of meat. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Everybody eat. Okay. No more? Okay. This cat ate. I'm gonna go eat. You guys stay blessed.